Tapos yung bot. Tapos yung chat. Twitch stats. Tapos yung chat. Tapos very good. Ano to, pre? Ba't may ganito ulit? Pangilinan! Ba't may ganito ulit?
Good try, little bro. Good try, little bro. Good try, little bro. Mwah. Absolute cinema.
Absolute cinema.
Oh, nice.
Ako una bus. Sana all.
Yeah, that's tough, isn't it?
Yeah, that's tough, isn't it?
Yalla habibi, yalla. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Oh man.
Latu.
No flame, but I think we need to make some changes.
Morning, yer onamor. Paano ba yan? Ronamo Dre. Kahit naman nung mga meron.
That's a Dota play, bro. I'm just straight up Valve man. Don't tell anyone, but you're my favorite teammate. Хорош, монстр. Я вот думал сделать, не сделать, сделать, не сделать, не сделал. Oh, my little baby!
Oh, my little baby!
Are you not entertained? Good one, bro. You got me. Whatever, man. First game of the day. BKB.
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 Did I do that? Well, that wasn't supposed to happen.
That's crazy, bro. Do it again. Do it again.
Don't worry, guys. We can't lose. I'll watch anime.
Ooh, I'm sorry, that was the wrong answer.
Why not take a team fight?
No, I'd win. Ooh, I'm about to make a name for myself here.
Oh, come on.
Oh, come on.
Fire due door. Radiant Ragnaros.
Oh, is that good? Oh, come on, man. Not again.
Imagine if you had BKB.
Chat, is this real?
There's always next game.
Yun! Galaw, galaw, galaw! Giling, giling, giling! An outstanding play from an outstanding player.
What the hell are we doing here?
Honestly, I just don't care.
Pero walang sponsor, mas baka di ka ma-DC.
He's got an anime profile pic? Sugoi!
Anong connect niyan, pre?
Now that is a fair and balanced hero. He's got an anime profile pic?
He's got an anime profile pic? Sugoi! Sugoi na!
So good? You should be at like TI or something.
So good! Cookie.
你要是看得懂我的操作，你就去打职业了。
Haray Limon! Nabili na ba yung Baratrum? Wala eh. Walang ano eh. Walang stock si Exe Game Lag eh.
I am the GOAT. I can't wait to hug you when this game is over.
I can't wait to hug you from this game.
Thanks. Your father and I are very
Your
proud.
father and I are very proud.
Omar on the fridge.
Hello, Dota Police. I'd like to report a crime.
Mate, what was that?
May, what was that? What was that, May? Wala pa din PLDC, boss eh. Open treasure. Wala na akong pangbili. Salud, Japan! Japan, Gabron!
You get the wards, and I'll get the smoke. Right there is why I love this game. You see that right there is why I love this game. You get the wards and I'll get the smoke. It's time for a gank, so we better not choke.
This gamer goes. Let's get ready to feed.
Let's get ready to feed!
Oh my, Dota and chicken rice.
Dota and chicken ah.
Legacy voice pack. Player 1.
Back in my day.
Player 2. Am I a joke to you?
Am I a joke to you?
So stupid. I'm so stupid.
I'm so stupid.
I don't understand what just happened.
That's why he's the GOAT! The GOAT!
I don't find any shit on the shit, man. Wala namang maganda dito na voice chat. Well, hindi na ako nag-spam ng voice chat. Sounds, hide lock messages. Oh my! Wait. Yung kay Tsunami maangas. Kay Tsunami. Ito?
Imagine if you had BKB.
Chat, is this real?
Ito tumakas sa'yo? Tumakas sa'yo, ha?
Imagine if you had BKB. Imagine if
Misconception! Ito tumakas sa'yo, misconception?
you had BKB.
Oh my god, misconception. How is that maangas, bro? Fine match na muna. Fine match. Ilan lang ping? 35. Okay, pwede na yan. So, pag nagpa-fine match, syempre, promote ko muna ang ating sponsor, ang ating stream. Bad guys. Dahil ongoing ang PGL Wallachia, kung gusto nyong mag-bet mamaya, gawa kayo ng parlay nyo. Dito na yung market, guys. Madami din mga markets dito na per map. Meron mga kills. Open pa yung mga iba mamaya. May first blood na dito. Kailangan nyo makita yung draft eh. Yung mga betlords yun na tumitingin talaga ng data eh. Lumalabas yung mga ibang ano dito. Pero for now, gagawa muna ako ng aking parlay. Wala pang tumatama eh. Puros pilay. 35 MS tas biglang lag. Oo nga eh. Tong converge na to eh. Nalaglag si Tundra. Bobo pala tong Tundra, guys. Sobrang bobo na itong Tundra. Tundra lalaglag lang Heroic. Panis. Panis pala dito kay Heroic eh, no? Sabay Lama. Parker. Nagpalit lang sila ng carry. Sobrang lakas nila. Baka Heroic yan. Alam mo na, magki-Heroic na ako dito. Heroic is the shit. Heroic is the PGL Wallachia Season 2. Season 2 tawag dito. Season 2 champ. Tundra. Biscot yan. SA Dota number 1. Siyempre, magki-heroic ako dito. Bobo yang si Amar. Machuchoke yang si Amar. Magchuchoke na naman tong Nabi dito sa Nouns. Hindi, Nabi to. Ayan, gawa lang kayo ng account gamit ang aking link, guys. Gamitin na lang aking promo code. Chang777. 37, guys. Para may bonus kayo na up to 6,000 pesos. Yan yung ads. 19. Ayan, pwede na yan. Ayan, pwede na yan. Ipaprint ko pa yan eh. Paano pa yan? Ipaprint ko yan tapos palaminate ko yan pag nanalo. Yun kasi na itong Tundra na to eh. Natatalo. Alam ba 2-time TI winner? Liquid 33. Okay naman. Liquid 33. Paris pala yung broodmother niya. May timber kasi. Anyway. Let's play! Ito na naman yung Immortal Draft. Nakaurat magano dito. Baka andito na naman yung Pinoy kahapon na bobo. Sobrang bobo nung Pinoy na alchemist na yun eh. Bobo na dito na naman yung bobong alchemist. Mode road to 15k daw. Mode road to 15k.
Dyer's Radiant's turn to pick. Let's give him a second. All right, Radiant's turn to pick. Your pick. Radiant's pick.
Offlane pa yung kumuha sa akin. Gusto ko mag-offlane eh.
Crap in a 5-pound bag.
Uy, Pudge. Parang gusto ko mag-mid ah. Okay na. Ba't kasi may Immortal Draft tapos may Rolls Royce? Katangahan naman tong kaputaan na to.
5 seconds.
Umaga may... Immortal Draft na may Rolls Royce pa! Ano yan? Katangahan naman tong gumawa ano tong introduce ng Immortal Draft na to. Kabobohan. Immortal Draft my ass. Tanga-tanga nung gumawa na ito. White man. Asas Flinix yung sobrang babang win rate na Tusko ah.
They call me the terror from the barrier. They call me the snowball from Cobalt. But you may call me I'm betting this one's in the bag.
You can call this one. I've never lost, and I'll
What?
not start now.
My feet, peasant.
Sounds like a good idea.
It is in the bag.
Got it. If you say so.
It's in the bag.
Then I'm going home.
Could be good.
Heads up. 30 seconds.
You bet.
Interesting. The woods.
First blood. Income.
Sobrang balik.
Sure.
Sobrang bading! Sobrang bading! Sobrang bading!
The fight is back on. Onward. Why not?
Sobrang bading naman agad.
Yes.
Mag-void ka sa... May ano nga? May offlane nga na brand na label yung ano niya. Pinisa mo pa, guys. Di nga lumapit kampiyon. Tak, ina mo dyan. Bobo ka. Bobo kayong lahat.
Well, their courier's dead. Yeah, they knew what they were getting into when they took that job.
This should be fun.
Heaven just got another angel. That courier will be missed.
Yes.
Hindi ba mali pa si Idol?
Yeah.
Paano naging mali? May mali ba dito? Ang mali dito kung bobo ka. Kahit ano pang pasit yung piliin mo, kung bobo ka lang din. Kahit anong pang pasit yan, kung bobo ka, wala din eh. Mutong bobong to. Patay itong bobong kampiyon na to eh. Pinapatay ako eh.
The North comes with
Ginagawa niya doon!
you betcha.
Kakainin na naman! Puros po sila ha! Puros tanga pa! Babading pang ano! Bobo pang viewers na to! Bobo itong patdan na to eh! Kung sa Twitch naka-live sa Facebook pre. Bobo itong mga to putang ina. Patay yan. Patay yan, bobo eh.
Yeah, she.
Magandang umaga, bobo. Bro, bobo!
Yes.
Al-Ipar mga bobo eh. Magandang umaga, ano agad ako ng kabobohan. Ang patyan lang, sobrang bobo.
Good to be good.
Ba't mo tutugin agad, pre? Sobrang bilis naman na itong tumakbo. Parang walang kwenta yung... Ang ina nyo, ang bobo nyo!
You fought with such determination.
Limber up. They fortified their structures.
Yes.
Sinulog niya kasi agad eh.
You betcha.
Sobrang bobo na itong Mars na to. Tinuhog agad. Hindi na... Nakakatira pa naman siya dun eh. Tinuhog agad. Sobrang bobo ang puta.
Sounds like a good idea. I'm under attack. Snowball. Come and fight.
Sobrang galing. Bobo lang to eh. Sobrang bobo na ito eh. Bading silang lahat eh. Mga bading PH eh. Sa tingin ko pre, marunong ka gumamit ng patch. Hindi pre. Hindi ako marunong mag-patch pre. Mga ganito lang alam ko eh.
Why not?
Mga sniper, viper, ganon.
Got it. You betcha.
You betcha. You betcha.
Yeah, sure. Get, you are going nowhere. Yeah.
Oh, that's what I'm out.
Ayaw talaga mag-skill. Diretso back lang siya pre oh. Hinahayaan lang niyang mamatay yung kampiyan. Sobrang bobo mo! Sobrang bobo mo! Bobo ka! Putang ina mo! Umaga sobrang bobo mo! Matakbo lang ang puta!
All right. Sparring is done, I say.
Sidid! Perra! Fucking...
time to bruise.
Sinisper! 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 Putang ina mong bobo ka, hoy! Putang ina mong bobo ka! Putang ina ka, umaga, bobo ka agad! Putang ina mo! Ano tong bobong to? Top tier video maker ka pang lalalaman! Top tier video maker! Top tier video maker! Top tier video maker, ha? Putang ina mong bobo ka! Top tier video maker, mama mo! Top tier video maker na yung profile na! Celestia! Dota is doing it! Let's go! Bobo ka! Putang ina mo! Umaga ka, ha? Sobrang bobo mo! Kailangan gumamit ng skill! I-solo ko talaga kasi solo siya. Anong gagawin mo? Mga bobo kasi kayo eh. Hindi nyo alam ang pressure ng linya eh. Snowball anong gagawin? Siyempre pressurein mo mag-isa. Mag-isa lang yung carry niya. Galit ako pre. Bobo tong Mars ko eh. Sobrang bobo na itong Mars na to eh. Ayaw gumamit ng skill. Umaga. Ayaw gumamit ng skill. Diretso back lang. Putang ina na ito. Pag ganyan, alam mo na. Magmimilas na ako. Magdadagon na ako dito. Sobrang bobo.
You need your top tower? I'm only asking because it's being
Sobrang
destroyed.
bobo mo eh. Pak na ka eh.
Really soak up some punishment.
Mo talaga yan. Wala kang gagawin eh. Tanga kang maglin eh. Tanga ka. Paka na rank 2K. Hindi ka pa rin marunong maglin. Sobrang bobo mo. Cooking ina ka.
Your middle tower might need a little attention. Your middle tower's taking a beating.
You betcha.
Yes, your dog. Hello.
Hello. Just fucking get a fucking rope and then hang yourself, you fucking stupid dog shit. Now you're crying in the corner because you're a fucking dog shit trash. Come on, man, just get the rope.
Let's go.
Just get the rope, wrap it around your neck, and then hang yourself. Come on, man.
Come on.
Come on. Happy. Come, Indian dog. Come, drink coffee. Come.
Greg called the cops.
You fucking retard. Come. Celestia Dota number 1. Let's go, brother, man. Jason, ayutan, pulpen.
Talking about желешка.
Katawa-tawa ka pang bobo ka. Obvious naman na bobo ka eh. Huwag ka lang sumagot. Bobo ka. Puking ina mo.
Speak English, idiot.
Might want to haul ass over to your top tower.
Speak English, idiot.
You need your top tower? I'm only asking because it's being destroyed.
Sounds like a good idea. Yes.
You speak English, idiot. Mama mo, puking ina kang bobo ka.
You fortified your structure.
If you say so.
Ano, ayaw, ano ah.
There. No reason. This Tusk not diverse.
Play, bro.
Lahat sila bobo, putang na. Bobo lang lahat eh.
Come back. Can we this game?
Hear how that sounds.
I know that we can
I'm
win this.
good for a few more hits.
Why this Tusk wins this game?
Don't mind him, don't mind
And
him.
up MMR for what?
Don't mind him, Mars. Just play, just play.
Yeah.
Mute him, bro, mute him. Play Dota. I want to enjoy.
I hate fucking Dota. Cause of Tusk.
I can't believe you did this, more like stop buying account, you fucking retard. You fucking retard, you Ukrainian Russian shikablet. Huh? You fucking, why you're in the server, you fucking dog shit, huh? Huh? Come on, man, just go get the rope, wrap it around your neck, and then just hang it. Come on.
Get out, get out, get out.
Come on, Mr. Dog.
Where from?
Come. Where you from? I'm from your mom. I'm from your mom's pussy.
Mom's pussy.
Yes, I'm your mom's pussy, huh? Yes, your mom dead. Yes. Yes. Yes, your mom dead. Yes.
Still dead slide.
Yes, блядь, mongoloid shit. Yes. Лет, Borat yan eh. Yes, блядь, братski. Ang ina nito, pagawa-gawa pa to noon eh.
Numbers in rank. Yes.
Ang bobo nito.
Where I was, but it was
Your middle tower might need a little attention. I wouldn't sweat it. These things are built to take a lot of punishment. Good work. You just denied your middle tower.
Okie dokie.
Imagine skills has KD. Idiot.
Idiot. You think I'm blind?
Sogo naman mag-lose streak eh.
Click on me.
Sasabi mong lose streak, huwag ka umiyak. Bobo nga yan eh. Bobo nga. Kahit tingnan mo pa, bobo yan.
Bobo ka. Speak English.
Sanong tanga.
Tanga ka din, putang ina mo. Bobo kayong lahat eh. Mayayakin ko eh. Tinutolerate mo sa mga bobong to eh.
Bobo ka. Fucking crazy.
Tangina mo din. King ina mo.
Bobo ka. Was Bobo ka. Tangina mo. Bobo ka. Bobo ka. Tangina mo. Fucking monkey. Tangina mo.
Rank 2K sa abis ah. Rank 2K. Rank 2K 7K MMR. Cannot press your skill. Oh my god. What a suka blade. Suka burat.
Bobo ka to. First pick badge ka pang tangan.
Oh, bakit? Oh, ano ngayon? Oh, tangina mo din. Sino ka bang bobo ka ah? Bobo ka, puking ina. Sino tong bobong to?
Streamer bobo.
Oh. Oh, wag ka umiyak. Iyakin ka, putang ina mo.
Umiyak ako.
The note comes with
Ikaw ata lose streak eh, kaya umiyak ka eh. Ina ka eh.
Got it.
Sanong tanga ka ba?
Your top tower.
Wag mo akong kapusapin, mongoloid ka.
Term loosely here. I know you're probably a giant
Sanong tanga.
robot made out of fairy wall water or whatever.
Report page. Nakakatakot. Putang ina mo din, bobo kayo lahat. Report page. Hindi wala silang magawa sa akin. Kaya report page ko na lang. Oh my God! Chanita yan! Kilala yung pel na to? Uy, binus lang pala ng pel eh! Putang ina mo! Binus ka na daw pala! Putang ina mo, pel! Ha? Trato ka! Binus ka lang pala! Putang ina mo! Bigay mo na yung address niyan, pre! Putang ina! Iyak ka tapos binus ka lang pala! Putang ina mo, ha? Wala na magawa. Report na lang. Report na lang natin. Kasi wala silang magawa. Mga bobong iyakin.
Say what? What happened?
Putang ina nyo. Report din natin itong mga bobong to. Putang ina itong mga to eh. Ito ang bobo itong mga to eh. Say something daw. Kasi ano, na-mute ako. Say something. Yung mga bobong to eh. Lalo na itong Stellar Dota na to eh. Sobrang tanga na ito. Nung iyakin na to, sobrang bobo.
Alright, middle tower's down. Giving your middle barracks a once over. Good news, you have a pile of bricks. Bad news, it used to be your middle barracks. Good news.
Tataka! Patay nga, boss. Rank 3K, pre.
Destroyed.
Aga-aga, sinisira mo game ko. Putang ina, ikaw ba to? Putang ina mo. Bobo ka. Ikaw ba tong pel na to, pre? Putang ina, bobo mo eh. Parehas kayo na itong ano na to eh. Stellar na to eh. Sobrang tanga nyo. Ikaw ba to? Ikaw ba to? Sinisira mo game mo. Baka ikaw yung sinisira ng game ko. Ang ina mo eh. Nakita mo ba yun? Nakita mo ba yung Mars? Pinagagawa na itong Mars na dog shit na to? Palibasa, hindi mo kasi nakita kasi putang ina mo rin. Putang ina nyo yung lahat. Yan naman yung kaya ng mga... Si Christ Dota ba to? Si Christ Dota ba to? Ikaw ba yung Christ Dota? Putang ina mo. Ikaw to, Christ? Ha? Putang ina mo. Ito ba si Christ ba to? Si Christ ba to, pre? Si Christ Dota ba tong ano na to? Tok na iyakin pala tong Christ Dota streamer na to. Ah, si ano?
Bottom tower is no longer tip top. It's just, well, it's just tip.
Binus ka pala ni Clice. Putang ina eh. Putang ina na ito. Ah, ito si Monsor! Ito pa! Si Monsor si Stellar! Ito siguro si ano? Ito siguro si Stellar! Sobrang bobo na ito eh! Tanda-tanda mo na. Ano kalukuhan? Ano kilalaman lang tanda? Ha? Putang ina mong Vincent. Putang ina mong Vince ka eh. Pogi ka pang lalaman din sa comment section. Bobo ka lang din naman. Putang ina mo. Siyempre gagamit siya ng dami account. Baka either yan yung ano, yung Marso, yung sniper. Kaya ayaw ko na itong immortal drop na to eh. To eh, muted tong mga lahat tong mga bobong to eh. Legend pala eh. Legend pala tong pel na to eh. Kaya pala naka-private si Gago. Hoy, pel, putang ina mo ka ha. Sino tong ano na to? I-PM ko nga si Clice. Sino tong fel na to, pre? Ano si Clice? Ang ko yung putang inang gagong yan ha. Si Clice. PM ko natin itong si Clice. Alam ko, friend ko yun eh. Bago tong... Siyempre, mga bading eh. Ba't ba sila gagamit ng real account nila? Mga bading yung mga yan eh. Ayun, si Clice. Si Clyde Obedencio. Pangalan nito. Usapin nga natin tong bobong ano na to. Nagkakalokan ba yung ano na yan? Si Vince ba tong sniper na to? Umiiyak eh. At sila umiiyak eh. Diba sa mga iyakin lahat? Anong score ng Mars? Doesn't matter kung ano yung score ng game.